Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add filters to a WooCommerce product table. Let's get started. So I have installed this product table for WooCommerce by Code Astrology, so just head over and install this particular table for you. Now in here, this is what my table looks like right now. So if you want to add a new table, just click on this add new right here, and I will show you what it looks like. So when you head over and click on this edit option, you should be able to see this. So this is a column, query, design options, search and filter right here. You can head over and then click on the search and filter in order to make some changes, add some configurations and anything. Now you can see in here the shortcode. You just need to add this particular shortcode right here to the site that you have. So I have actually added it to this particular site or this particular page. And this is what it looks like right now. So let's scroll down and you can see in here the columns and you can add some more if you want. Now let's head back right here. So here are my actual products. So you can see it right here. You can add this to cart. You can actually adjust the quantity. You can change the size. You can choose the color that you want to purchase and add them to your cart. And you can see all of them right here. So if you want to add filters to that, you don't need to do so anymore because you can see that they already have this one. You can search for a particular product. You can explore some categories. So for example, if you want to purchase an ebook, just click on this ebook category right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see all the ebooks that they have available. It's also available on the tags that they have right here. Now, if you want to just head over and then apply this filter in order to see it and then add those products to your cart. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like there, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.